You may have had some seller pain points such as you optimize your keywords, but your rankings and Amazon sales are still dropping. So, why Amazon SEO doesn't work like before? You need to start asking, what problem is my product solving in a real person's life? Amazon SEO is no longer about stuffing words. It's about helping the right person make the right decision. This will be the death of keyword only for Amazon SEO for Amazon brand owners. You may have had some seller pain points such as you optimize your keywords, but your rankings and Amazon sales are still dropping. You need to shift your perspective into from keyword based search to your listings into knowing the behavior of your customers plus using the AI served discovery. Amazon shoppers no longer just search, they serve solutions such as using the Rufus and AI agents such as ChatGPT. Keywords are now communication tools and not ranking levers for your Amazon PDP. Here are what Amazon sellers are doing wrong: keyword stuffing, titles, and bullets, optimizing for bots and not humans, usually ignoring customer behavior signals. So, this would be some of your actionable steps to really optimize your listings. You need to stop asking, what keywords do you need to rank for? You need to start asking, what problem is my product solving in a real person's life? And once you have those done, you need to rebuild your listings in order to answer those questions. You must show use cases. You must also give out examples on how to demonstrate the outcomes which the customers are looking for solutions. So, keywords are really dead, but Amazon sellers use them the old way. So, why Amazon SEO doesn't work like before? Here's how Amazon used to work in the old way. Before, Amazon worked like this. Example, a buyer types in a word in the Amazon search bar. Amazon looks for the products that repeat that word or keywords the most. Then, those products show up. So, sellers usually did these things such as the keyword stuff keywords in everywhere, into their title, into their bullets. They repeat the same words in their titles, in their bullets, and even in their back end. They write listings mainly for the algorithm and not for people. That's why you must have always heard that find the best keyword and rank for it. This used to work in the past. But it's important to know for yourselves that it's really now changing the game right now. Now Amazon has AI. Now Amazon has Rufus. So what does AI means for Amazon? Amazon can understand meaning, not just words. Amazon watches what people do, what customers do, not just what they type in the Amazon search bar. So, Amazon now asks different questions. Amazon are not asking, does this product contain the keyword? But they instead ask this question, does this product actually help this person? Does this product actually solve this person's problems? So, in the new way, what buyers do now? This is the new way that buyers do now. Before buyers usually search, like let's say for example, they are searching patio, lawn, and garden stuff like outdoor chair, wooden. Now, buyer asks questions in a new way. What's a good outdoor chair for small balcony? Or another question such as what durable chair that won't rot in the rain? So those kinds of questions our customers are now typing in and researching too. And Amazon's AI like Amazon Rufus, answers these questions. Here are the best solutions for you, the Amazon Rufus would say. So that means that buyers may never even see your keyword. Amazon decides which product fits the situation. So why do Amazon sellers are struggling right now? Because most sellers are still doing this. They write listings for robots. They stuff keywords. They copy paste generic benefits of their product. They ignore how real people think and decide what product to buy for. So, Amazon looks at the listing and thinks this really doesn't help anyone. This product listing doesn't really help anyone. Then, what happened next? Your listings, if you do these things, your listings will drop, your rankings will drop, then your sales will drop also. Sellers would panic and then add more keywords, the keyword stuff once again, which makes your product PDP worse. So the big truth is this: keywords are not exactly dead in the Amazon world, but keywords are now just words. They don't decide the ranking alone in your Amazon search results. So, what decides the ranking now? It's customer behavior, because Amazon watches this following. Amazon watches, do people click on your listing? Do they scroll? Do customers add to cart? Do customers buy this product? Do customers come back and buy this product again? If people understand your product easily and feel confident, Amazon gets to show it more and suggest it more to prospective customers. I want to give you a simple analogy. You think of it like this. Old Amazon is just like a library. You find books by the title words, right? When you go into the library, you find books through their title words. However, the new Amazon is like your smart friend. You may ask your friend, I need help with something. And your friend would say, here's the best thing for you according to the problem that you currently have. Amazon now is that smart friend of yours. So having said all of this, what Amazon sellers should do instead to fix this old problem and to fix this, you must stop asking what keywords do you need to rank for, and start asking questions like, what problem is my product solving for a real customer or for a real person? So, having said all of this, how to fix your Amazon listing? Instead of writing like this, I will give you an example. Patio, chair, wooden, outdoor, durable, eucalyptus, weather-resistant garden furniture. It looks so much all over the place, right? You need to write it like this. You need to write your listings according to who this is for. Where will they use it? What problem does this product would solve? What results will they get when they use this product? Those things. So, your listing should answer questions, show real use cases, show outcomes to their problems. Here are some of the examples I would like to share with you. You may share with your customers, won't rot even in rainy season, won't rot even in rainy weather, fits in small balconies. This is very comfortable even if without cushions. So, you really get to know to really address the problem of the customers by saying all of these features alone. So, why do this work? So, when a buyer reads your listing and thinks, oh, this is exactly for me, these customers would eventually stay longer. They would probably scroll more. They would buy more of your product or share it with their friends. And Amazon sees this. And Amazon would say that this product helps people. So Amazon shows it more often. And in a way, it would help your product be ranked higher. So, what is the core message of this video? Keywords aren't really dead in this Amazon world, but keywords aren't really dead in this year. But Amazon sellers using these keywords the old way are losing the game. That's really 100% true. So, if I could give you a one sentence summary, Amazon SEO is no longer about stuffing words, it's about helping the right person make the right decision. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any more questions to your problems, feel free to type in the chat box and I'll see you next time.